Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll take you step-by-step through setting up your Roku Express 4K. Whether you're exploring Roku for the first time or enhancing your current streaming setup, this comprehensive guide will have you streaming your favorite content quickly and effortlessly. Let's begin the journey. When you open the box, you'll find the Roku Express 4K streaming device, a remote control, a pair of AAA batteries, a USB power cable, a power adapter, a high-speed HDMI cable, and adhesive strips for mounting. Start by connecting one end of the HDMI cable to your Roku Express 4K device, then plug the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV for seamless streaming. Next, plug the USB power cable into the Roku device and connect it to the included power adapter. Finally, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Next, insert the included AAA batteries into the remote control. Once powered on, your remote should automatically pair with the Roku Express 4K, ensuring you're ready to navigate and control your streaming experience effortlessly. Once your Roku Express 4K is powered on, you'll see the Roku logo on your TV. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, then either create a new Roku account or log in to your existing one. This will sync your device and give you access to all your favorite streaming channels. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted to link your Roku device to your Roku account. Use your smartphone or computer to visit the provided URL and enter the code displayed on your TV screen. Once linked, your Roku will automatically update and install any necessary software. Once the setup is complete, you'll be taken to the Roku home screen. Here, you can customize your experience by adding your favorite streaming channels like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney. Simply navigate to streaming channels and select the ones you want to add. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our expert team is here to help. Contact us at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And that's it. Your Roku Express 4K is now set up and ready to deliver 4K streaming right to your TV. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy streaming!